Scotty, what do you got?
I am working on, well, we have the new bushings.
Those were
sway arm.
Those were next to them. Yeah, for the sway bar. Those
Yep.
were the next two impossible to find
Yeah.
items.
Well, the problem is, you just see 2 holes.
Let me zoom in.
It's missing,
The sleeve.
so I have to press these out, press them in, and you guys are the first to see one of the previous videos when we were taking this off. You know how bad these were.
Those were disgusting.
Yeah, so now it's just, I'll wire wheel them up to get the last little bit off.
They're nice.
Yeah, they're as close as we're gonna get, but so, I mean, I'm literally just spinning that by hand.
Yeah, and that was crustified on.
Yep.
Here we go.
So I'll get the last bit of these cleaned up, spray them down, get bushings and everything on, get these kind of pressed into place a little bit.
That's
And then we can
spectacular.
start getting this back into place on the car. So, I mean, compared to what we had, dude, this is just, I absolutely love this stuff.
Yeah.
Every single time I use it, I'm blown away. I really am.
You know, how many times have we brought up the Rust-Oleum rust dissolver and we've tagged them in the videos and everything and we get zero response?
Yeah.
Like, do they ever check their YouTube channel? Do they have a social media department that
They
actually
probably
cares?
don't, and I mean, they're a big company, I get it. You know, we're some little small-time corporation here, but
I don't know about
I
corporation.
highly recommend the Rust-Oleum's rust dissolver. This stuff is amazing. I don't know, maybe it's just me, but whatever.
Hey, you like it.
Yep, so I'm
John
gonna,
liked it on his bird. Hey, why don't you just, because that old rubber, why don't you just cut the old rubber and cut them out? Instead of pushing. Oh, push. Harder. Oh, yeah.
Yeah, I'm not thinking right now. I'm just kind of doing.
That's what she said.
Yeah. 5 kids later, you'd think I would have learned with the first one. Yeah, I'm not learning. My brain's not working today.
He cannot
I
breathe.
heard you think.
He has the dumb. All right, and with that,
we're gonna pray the dumb away. I swear to God.
all right then. Scotty, you, wait, you're pulling out. You know.
Don't tell anybody.
He's pulling out of a tight hole.
That's a first.
And there they are. Done deal.
So now,
Old and new.
minus
Look at how much they get smushed.
Oh yeah, it's bad.
Wow. Yeah. And look at that. And that's how we resurrect the dead. Basically. This is a resurrection instead of a Hugh G. Erection. That's your name, huh? That's your bar name? Hugh G. Erection?
Yep. My name's Hugh G. Rich.
Then I'm Ivana Hump a lot.
No, you're Ivana Small Pussy. Yeah.
What?
Okay. On that note, ladies and gentlemen, we'll get this back together, get these cleaned up, hose them off, dry them up so that they look really good, or as good as we can get them. Get it back together. We'll get one more thing done.
And, okay, in our next video, we're going to talk about the arms. Because the arms are back. The arms are back.
The incredible arm flailing tube man.
And then a tube man. Anyway,
But yes, we're gonna do control arms.
we're going to talk about BJs.
Yep. Everybody loves a good BJ. Everybody loves a good BJ. I mean, that's just a given. Guys,
Right.
girls, doesn't matter.
Hey, $20 is $20, too.
Right? Hey, gotta pay the bills somehow. Gotta put food on the table. Because I'm hungry. Daddy hungry,
I'm
baby.
not going any lower.
But on that note, ladies and gentlemen, peace.